Okay, BradMan here. This is just a little video for me mate, hackneo64. Yeah, this is just our local radar. That's where I live, right there. And as you can see, yeah, there's the graph. It's got some heavy rain coming. Ever since I bought my bike, it's been sunny for weeks, and the moment I bought my bike, this is what's been sitting above my house. This is like our riding area. This is where all the nice roads in my video are. There's Mount Me down here, Kenilworth, Peachester, Mullaney, Conondale. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is quickly run outside and see if I can film some awesome lightning. I wish I was filming the other day. It was the best lightning I've ever seen. There were about 7,000 bolts of lightning in 2 hours. But yeah, I just watched a girly movie and I'm really bored because I haven't been able to ride my brand new bike. I don't know if you can see it over there. No, it's too dark. All my light globes have been blowing because of all the rain. Okay, so I'm going to run outside now. So it'll probably go dark for a few seconds. So here we go. Woo! Woo! Thunder! Whoa. Okay, I'm outside. It's a bit dark, but you can probably still hear me. Well, I don't think lightning's going to turn out. I'll turn the light on. Yeah, iPhones are pretty useless in the dark. Come on, lightning. Oh, it's spilling. Okay, lightning doesn't turn out on an iPhone. But yeah, all the gutters overflowing. It's useless. Oh, every time I turn around, the lightning strikes. Okay, bear with me for a sec. Oh, I wonder if you saw that. That's pretty pointless. Oh, it's going to be another awesome. I wonder what iPhone 4s are like in the dark. I wonder if you can hear the thunder. Oh, I saw that one. Imagine I got struck by lightning. That would be funny. But I'll wipe the lens and see if that makes a difference. Oh. Whoa. I don't know if you can hear all that rain. It's not showing up. Yeah, all the gutters overflowing. Yeah, we get fat rain. Yeah, I don't think I'll be riding tomorrow. Okay, I think 6 minutes of darkness is probably enough. Whoa. Yeah, the one the other night was way better. It's just constant. It was like a disco. Person's probably thinking, what an idiot. Well, so's that person. Oh. Okay, I'm getting soaked. Thanks for watching. If you watched all that black stuff, thumbs up. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, you can just see it. Oh, silhouette thumbs up. Says